excavators, and construction vehicles in life. Pro. The Pro is an advanced machine commonly used in construction and forestry work. It is a machine capable of working in difficult terrain conditions such as mud, snow, or on rough mountainous terrain. It is designed for use in forestry projects or construction projects in remote areas. Boston Dynamics Robot Dog. Boston Dynamics is a well-known robotics company, and one of their standout products is the Spot Robot, which can carry other devices like cameras, sensors, or customizable tools, allowing it to perform a variety of tasks, from industrial monitoring to emergency assistance. John Deere 105OK. The John Deere 105OK is one of the heavy-duty dozers designed for large construction and mining jobs. The 105OK is equipped with a John Deere PowerTech engine with a capacity of up to about 350 horsepower. The machine uses a hydrostatic transmission system, which improves control and provides stable thrust. Liebherr 980 SME. The Liebherr 980 SME is one of Liebherr's outstanding heavy-duty hydraulic excavators, specially designed for mining and heavy-duty industrial applications. The 980 SME is equipped with a Liebherr engine with a capacity of approximately 400 kilowatts, equivalent to approximately 536 horsepower, allowing the machine to operate powerfully, even in the most severe working conditions. Empiric Demolition with CB7500. The Empiric CB7500 is one of the models in Epiroc's hydraulic demolition hammer range, specially designed to handle large and heavy demolition jobs. The CB7500 is a powerful tool, often mounted on heavy excavators to perform tasks such as demolishing buildings, cutting concrete and steel, or handling large blocks of material in mining projects. Ventrac for 5-0. The Ventrac for 1520 is one of Ventrac's versatile and compact tractors, known for its versatility and high performance across a wide range of jobs. It is a popular choice for those who need a tractor that can handle a variety of tasks, from landscape maintenance and gardening to snow removal and grounds management. Ecotech H27 Panther. The Ecotech H27 Panther is a dedicated multi-purpose tractor designed for work in harsh environments, with a four-wheel drive system equipped with a powerful diesel engine, providing great power. This engine is designed to operate durably in harsh conditions, with optimal fuel consumption. Conrad Highlander. The Conrad Highlander is an advanced logging machine. A Highlander is a combination harvester and forwarder, capable of performing both tasks in one operation. This optimizes work efficiency and reduces the need for multiple machines on complex terrain. Skid Steer Beachmaster. The Beachmaster is a specialized skid steer attachment specifically designed for beach cleaning and maintenance. The Beachmaster attachment is designed to sift through sand, filtering out trash, debris, algae, and other unwanted materials while allowing clean sand to pass through. Material Handler. Material handler is a device or machine designed to move, load, and manage materials in industrial, construction, and warehouse environments. With a high moving leg design, along with a long excavator shaft, the machine is widely used in yards that need to unload goods and sandstone. Auger torque cone crusher bucket. The Auger torque cone crusher bucket is an attachment for excavators or wheeled tractors. It combines the crushing capabilities of a cone crusher with excavator mounting capabilities, saving space and cost by integrating the crushing process right on the job site. Roper Carterfell Mouse 5. The Roper Carterfell Mouse 5 is an advanced potato harvester designed by the Roper Company, known for its specialized agricultural equipment. The Carterfell Mouse 5 is one of the models in the Roper potato harvester line, equipped with modern technology to improve efficiency and productivity during the harvesting process. Dutchman truck spades. Dutchman truck spades are a type of accessory designed to be attached to trucks. They're designed to help move plants from one location to another without damaging the root system of the plant. They are useful tools in landscaping, park maintenance, and landscaping projects. Vortex skid steer stump grinder. The Vortex skid steer stump grinder is a specialized attachment designed to attach to a skid steer tractor. It is equipped with powerful cutting blades, usually made from highly abrasion-resistant material, to quickly and effectively crush tree stumps. Artisan Auto Pick GT. The Artisan Auto Pick GTI is a type of agricultural equipment designed to harvest fruit from trees by shaking the tree to make the fruit fall. It is an effective tool for harvesting fruits such as almonds, walnuts, apples, and stone fruits, especially in large orchards. Lieber 950. The Lieber 950 is a heavy-duty excavator designed for construction and mining applications. It is part of Lieber's Generation 8 product line, with improved operating performance compared to previous versions. The 950 is commonly used in tasks such as earthmoving, quarrying, and large-scale excavation projects. Sleipner DB130. Sleipner DB130 is a specialized transport system designed to move heavy equipment. DB130 can transport heavy equipment up to 130 tons, easily moving all types of vehicles to the assigned location quickly. Hyundai HL9808. The Hyundai HL9808 is a large loader designed for heavy-duty applications in industries. Equipped with a powerful engine, typically around 460 HP, the HL9808 has an operating weight of around 31 tons, making it capable of handling large loads. Cypher K67H. The Cypher K67H is a truck-mounted concrete pump, renowned for its impressive reach and versatility, making it suitable for large construction projects requiring large volumes of concrete. The K67H has a 67-meter long boom, one of the longest on the market. This allows it to reach difficult areas on complex construction sites. Overrossen TV to OO. The Overrossen TV to 200 is a high-performance snowblower designed for clearing snow on large areas, such as airports, highways, and other critical infrastructure. Overrossen, a Norwegian company, specializes in manufacturing snow removal equipment. The machine has an impressive snow clearing capacity, moving up to 12,000 tons of snow per hour, suitable for demanding snow removal tasks.
Backhoe loader.
A backhoe loader is a versatile piece of heavy machinery, commonly used in construction, landscaping, and other industries that require digging and material handling. It combines 3 different types of equipment into one machine: a tractor, a backhoe bucket, and a backhoe crane.
Hitachi X600.
The Hitachi X600 is a large hydraulic excavator, widely used in the mining and heavy construction industries. It is part of Hitachi's X series, which is renowned for its durability, performance, and advanced technology. The X600 is designed for large-scale excavation tasks, especially in environments such as open-pit mining.
Volvo X750D.
The Volvo EC750D is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator designed for large-scale construction and mining operations. Equipped with a high-performance Volvo D16 engine, providing significant power and torque, this engine ensures the machine can handle difficult digging and lifting tasks efficiently. With a large bucket capacity, the EC750D can move a significant amount of material per cycle, increasing productivity on large projects.
Feller Buncher excavator.
The Feller Buncher is a type of heavy equipment that is mainly used in logging operations. Its main function is to cut down trees and gather them into piles, making them easier to handle and transport later. The Feller Buncher is very important in modern logging, providing more efficiency and safety than traditional methods.
Excavator gapple.
An excavator gripper is a specialized attachment that is attached to an excavator to grip, lift, and move various types of materials. A gripper typically consists of 2 or more curved, claw-like arms that can open and close to grip objects, allowing them to grip materials of various shapes and sizes.
Pottinger Top 1403C.
The Pottinger Top 1 for 03C is a rotary hay baler designed for agricultural use. It is part of the Pottinger range of high-performance hay balers. The Top 1 for 03C is used to collect and arrange hay or other forage crops into rows, making collection and handling easier.
Zoomlian crane.
Zulian is a prominent Chinese manufacturer specializing in heavy equipment and machinery, including cranes. Zulian cranes are widely used in construction, industrial, and infrastructure projects thanks to their advanced technology, performance, and reliability.
Road header.
Road header is a type of mining and construction equipment used for tunneling and road opening. It is designed to cut through rock and soil in various tunnels and surfaces. Road header is especially useful in creating tunnels in difficult geological conditions.
Dragline excavator.
A dragline excavator is a large, heavy piece of equipment used primarily in mining and excavate and move large amounts of earth and rock. It is equipped with a long boom using a cable. The bucket is pulled toward the machine to scoop up the material and then lifted and dumped into a truck or other location.
Excavator wrecking ball.
Excavator wrecking ball is a large, heavy ball used primarily for demolishing buildings and structures. It is a traditional tool in demolition work, especially useful for destroying large, solid structures, such as concrete buildings or brick walls.
Excavator magnet.
An excavator magnet is a powerful accessory used with excavators to lift and remove metal. The magnet is usually attached to the excavator's boom or bucket. It is often used to efficiently collect and transport metal items.
Excavator amphibious.
Amphibious excavators are a special type of excavator designed to operate effectively on both land and water. Equipped with special features and structures, amphibious excavators can move through muddy areas, swamps, and shallow water areas that conventional excavators cannot reach.
Excavator auger.
An excavator-mounted auger is an attachment that is attached to an excavator to drill holes in the ground. It is a very useful tool in construction, foundation excavation, and pile drilling. The auger saves time and effort compared to manual drilling methods or standalone drills.
Long reach excavator.
A long-reach excavator is a specially designed excavator with a long boom to perform digging and shoveling tasks at greater distances than a conventional excavator. Equipped with a long boom, it is useful in jobs that require accessing hard-to-reach areas or working at high places.
Spider excavator.
A spider excavator is a special type of excavator designed to resemble the legs of a spider, with many independent legs or wheels that help it move and stabilize on different surfaces.
Excavator rock wheel.
An excavator rock wheel is a special attachment attached to an excavator to cut and crush rocks, concrete, and other hard materials. Rock wheels are designed with sturdy cutting teeth, usually made of hard alloy or steel, to cut through hard materials such as rocks, concrete, and asphalt.
Excavator demolition.
A demolition excavator is a specialized excavator designed to perform demolition and removal work on buildings. It is often equipped with special attachments such as a hammer, clamp, and shears to break, tear, and remove hard materials such as concrete, steel, and brick.
Excavator.
Excavators are one of the most common construction equipment and can be seen on many construction sites, mining sites, and other infrastructure projects.
Bulldozer.
A bulldozer is a powerful piece of construction machinery used to push, level, and move earth, sand, and other materials on a construction site.
Motor grader.
A motor grader is a specialized construction machine used to level the ground surface, creating a slope. It has a large blade in the middle, which can be adjusted to create a ground surface with the desired flatness or slope. Toll Incorporated. Tall incorporated hedge cutters in the tree industry are tools used in the planting, management, and study of trees and shrubs. Specifically, hedge cutters are devices designed to trim and shape hedges, trees, and other woody plants. The Massenbrook CT-12. The Massenbrook CT-12 is a high-performance trencher designed for construction and utility applications. Massenbrook, a renowned manufacturer in the industry, specializes in the production of equipment for trenching, pipe laying, and related tasks. Cat 6040 excavator. The Caterpillar 6040 hydraulic excavator is a large excavator designed for mining applications. Equipped with a powerful 1,341 HP engine, it comes with a bucket capacity ranging from 22 to 30 cubic meters, allowing the machine to efficiently handle large amounts of material in each load. Gen's SF Hacker. Gen's SF Hacker Law MT may BMG MDNM Berlin Hope GGC de KN GXLS Kilian LNG Vasinki JNZ MT King Tai CAGC Ni Ting BVI Kuk Me Mak Sang de Trong Engan Lam Gi Bataichuk GFAT Trine SF Hacker G Cap Ning UCSU CA Viac XLSGH Ning Multi-Head Breaker. A multi-head breaker is a type of demolition and construction tool designed for breaking jobs. It is equipped with multiple hammer heads to break asphalt and concrete pavements. Comptech Top Turn X. Comptech Top Turn X is a high-performance composting machine designed to process and compost biological materials such as food waste and organic fertilizers. The machine is equipped with a flexible rotation system, providing a large capacity that can mix the materials evenly and facilitate the decomposition process effectively. T1255 Terrain Leveler. The T1-55 Terrain Leveler is a high-performance surface leveler and terrain leveling machine designed for heavy-duty mining and construction projects. Manufactured by Caterpillar, the T1-55 features precise and efficient surface leveling and terrain leveling tasks in one pass. Caterpillar D11T Bulldozer. The Caterpillar D11T dozer is one of Caterpillar's outstanding heavy-duty dozers, designed for construction and mining applications. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems for improved performance, along with large dozer blades, it effectively handles large volumes of earth, rock, and other materials.